If you own a small business such as a cafe and you're wanting to post more Instagram reels or TikTok videos, but you're not really the creative type of person, here's how you can take photos of your products such as these and turn them into Instagram and TikTok short form videos such as these. You're gonna go to Zawa AI. The specific tool you'll be using is the AI viral video generator. Click on that and then you can upload the photos that you wish to be used. For example, I uploaded only one photo of the tiramisu latte. Feel free to play around with the settings. Since I'm posting this video in North America, that's where I'm going to select, and I will use music only, but you can also do voiceover with these languages. I want to post this on TikTok. At the selling point, you can write down your product highlights, or you can use the AI writing feature and it's going to analyze the photo and come out with its own AI writing. You can always update the content once you hit confirm. You can double check to see if you like the writing, and the next step is to select the video type. There's multiple options. For this video, I'm going to use the product showcase option, but you can also do tutorials, unboxing, depending on the photo that you are uploading. Press generate once you're done, and then this is the final result. I also want to show you an unboxing video that Zawa AI made based on these 3 photos. Be sure to check out Zawa AI.